from team Immutable, and today we are going to introduce about the a platform that is built with Cardano and Midnight Sidechain. So this is Whisperview, a platform that maintains your secrecy, where you can comfortably share your stories, your ideas, your uh, brilliant things without sharing your identity. That sounds cool, right? Without a further ado, we will jump into the demonstration. So putting on a username and password, we click on login and we are entering the view. Upon the first look, this is how the interface looks like, but we will skip to the interface that we have already prepared to show the demonstration, which is right here. So, as we can see, we have so many stories being posted, which can be seen here. To demonstrate with sharing the story, may that be you are someone who is creative, want to share stories, you are a whistleblower who wants to expose some bad people, or you have some brilliant ideas that you want to discuss with your fellow researchers by making groups. It's possible now. Let's say I have found out a brilliant idea to cure cancer. So you can attach some images. Let me just rectify the spellings. Yeah. And we can attach an image. Let's say we'll attach some random image from here and we'll again choose between how this post should be done. For the first thing, or the first option is public, which can be accessed by anyone. Second one is the private. Third one is group. In groups, we have so many groups where we can choose between to which groups it should be shared. I will be sharing to Alpha Squad and the Cardano developers because these two are my research groups as I believe in, and I'll post. So this post can only be seen by a curated group of people. So maintaining a secrecy and also not revealing your identity, but you share what you have to be sharing and what you will to share. We also have some public and private posts. As I can see, this is private because I've said something which I can understand, but you don't see which one is private and which one is public because again, you don't want to mention that it's private or public. If it's private, only you can see. If it's public, anyone can see. That's the simple idea. Here we have the stories. In stories, what we can do is this is basically a game kind of thing where people across the community can engage people in letting know what they have spoken. Let's say I type hi and contribute a whisper. Again, somebody comes in, types hi again, contributes in. Again, he says hello. It can be same person or a different one. And at the last contribution, let's say hello. And if you contribute at the fifth time, it says this is the beginning of story by user 3. Now, in this place, it can be anything. It can be some airdrop that he wants to give to the uh, Cardano community user or some any other community people. And now, talking about the midnight sidechain that we have used, we have came up with an exclusive use case where this product can be used by defense personnels. How? Let's consider that you want to communicate securely with many people but want to maintain one single directory. Consider that you are a defense minister and you want to advise the chief general that take care of our security personals. So let's consider me as a defense minister. I will be selecting whom this to be sent. I'll select this as captain. I can click send. Also, now the defense minister wants to say hello to the chief general. He can click hello. As you can see, these two informations or these two messages are only curated and should be reached. One to the captain and this hello to general. And for the same, we have also bought up with analytics where you can just take a look into what all things have happened that can show the threat level history, which can show the resource allocation, how many resources have been spent on different things, and the system readiness metrics. Like this is one of the um, exclusive use case that we have came up with. Uh, Midnight's sidechain, where we use this zero knowledge proof to uh, make this use case possible. Also, we have the group of, I mean, the various communities that we can join. If I want to join allies, I can join allies. If I want to join user 2, I can join. If I want to withdraw from Charlie community, I can withdraw and save. I can have a search option here. I want to search user 0 to 1. I want to join him. Click it. So this is all about it. This is where the user profile is situated. We have a link which is, I mean, we have linked to our Cardano's wallet where our identity is directly associated only with the wallet address, which can also be disconnected. And if you want to connect, we can connect back again. And also, we have our personal analytics dashboard here, and you can just look into your engagement history, activation, I mean, activity distribution, and the reputation metrics. So, in conclusion, this platform helps any individual who wants to share their stories, brilliant ideas to curated group of people, or the whistleblowers who aim to expose bad people or who wants to fearlessly present their stories or the work which addresses important issues in the society. They can do this without any harm or exposing their individual identity. So this is where this platform stands in, or stands in to serve this kind of use cases and the people. With that, I'll finish up with my demonstration. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions in the comments. Thank you.